this is just the start of everything. This is a prayer rally. This is really a prayer for peace. For peace, wala ni may tabo nga any kagupot sa atong sa Pilipinas, di lang sa Davao City. Well, it depends on the volunteer groups. Actually, kay kinitanan, this is all done voluntarily. Wala pa maingon na nag-organize ani para mag prayer rally. This is a collective effort sa daghang tao who volunteered to just show support sa atong Vice President.
Sabi si Kapitan Batinus kanina na encouraging Davao Rangers na tumuto kanina at may magpatuloy yung mga ganito magpinili. Ano kaya yun?
Well, wala pinag-istorya about that. I think bago lang niya gili-announce to. So, probably if you could ma-interview ninyo siya kasi from their side, other volunteers are also planning something na Watog Manila. Kasi posible po.
Reaction din po Vice sa nangyari kay Vice President reaction po din
Well, ako medyo sakit yun na makita no? Because isip ko sa kaabogado, nagtuon po tao constitutional law. And ako natunan dili man yung proseso. But of course, we have the courts to decide on this. So any aggrieved party, you have to invoke the power of the courts to decide.
So, yung tingkaman na ginawa ni Vice President na i-ignore yung feeling ng Congress, ng House of Representatives, i-ignore na yung feeling tama na ginawa ni Vice.
Oh well, di man kami. That's your right. You have your right given to you by the Bill of Rights, by the Constitution. You can always invoke your right if you feel na it's time to invoke it. There's nothing wrong with that.
Vice, as a lawyer, Vice, do you see any lawful act na kahit hindi ka naman sa hindi sa nilipat sa doon sa correctional?
Well, sa pag-aral ko ng law, this is the first time na experience ko, nakakita ko na mao nang naitabo i-transfer sa correctional. Kasi what I know is facilities like that para sa mga convicted felons or kanang mga nag-undergo na hearing sa court. So first time na ako nakita na I would rather sana unta dito lang sa vicinity sa Congress because that's within the jurisdiction of Congress.
Vice, do you think there's a grave abuse of discretion on the part of the Congress?
Well, we cannot say really there's grave abuse already because ang korte lang man ang makasulti na there's grave abuse. That's why you have to, the rights were given to you by the Constitution. You have to assert and invoke that. You have to fight for it.
Vice, naay mga reactions karon nagatapat sa social media na grounds daw para arrestuhan si Vice President Sara due to her statement na threat sa security sa presidente.
Well, sa Bill of Rights, pinaka-basic diyan, no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, and property without due process of law. That's why you have to undergo due process. You have the right to be heard. You have the right to present your side. Hindi pwede na kopdayon. That's my view. You file a case kung na-ground, then you give the person accused or a tao na gi-file og kaso a chance to air his side or air her side. Then that's the time you decide if there's really ground to issue a warrant and to arrest.
Due to your statement earlier, wala ni mo na po ka ng information. You too, naka-mention ka.
Yes, kita masuko mamput from time to time. Ako naman, I'm very composed, I'm very patient. Pero sa akong nakita video, ayaw lang untaing anak. Let's just respect the rule of law.
Isip abogado po advice, kung sa'yo mga nakita na violations against the rights also ni Attorney Zalaika.
Well, as a lawyer, you know, ang power of contempt kasi that really belongs to the regulator. Before, you can be cited for contempt if you do not attend. Pero if you're there, you're attending, I think there's no more reason to cite you in contempt unless you become disrespectful, rowdy ka inside, no, you say bad things against disrespecting whoever is sitting in the committee. Pero murag very courteous man og buutan man kayo. Kailan man ta kang Attorney Zulaika, no? She was the former city administrator. And buutan man siya and she's very respectful. That's why na-shock na lang kung anong na contempt.
So this is not already in aid of legislation, but in aid of persecution.
No, in aid of legislation, that's very broad. It can be pending, future, and corrective legislation. So the rule is does not have to follow after the investigation. There should really be a law coming out. No, basta you can always justify in aid of legislation for pending, future, and corrective legislation. That's how the rules work. Sa akong natunan tong nag-eskwela pa kog law. Sa akong nahinumduman po.
Vice, sa sitwasyon karon ni VP Sara o ni Atty. Zulaika, usay ipaabot nimo lang mensahe ngadto sa ila.
Is be strong, VP Inday. I know you're very strong and you're very capable, but nevertheless, we are here to support you and pray for you, especially Attorney Zulaika Lopez. Be strong, ma'am. This is just a challenge given to you. So you have to overcome it. So
How about sa Davao?
we will pray for you, sir, ma'am.
How about sa mga Davaoenos Vice na naapektuhan din?
Well, I'm sure a lot of Davaoenos did not like what they saw. No? My appeal is we observe the rule of law. No? We have to be peaceful. We can achieve a lot of things through peaceful ways, like having a peace prayer rally. That's one of the ways. No? We are not prevented by anyone to air our views because that's your constitutional right. Just like media has the right to freedom of the press, people also have what you call freedom of expression and the right to petition the government for redress of grievances. Just within the bounds of law, you can do anything.
Vice, moabot pa sa punto kung magkayo sa Davaoenos mag People's Power, usay suporta sa